Hey man, Papa, you and Israel doctrine stay sick. Every time Israel sick, you sick. He coughing like he got Ebola again, and this is like the third month this boy been sick. And now you got it again. What's going on, man? Is y'all kissing each other? Y'all tongue kissing and shit? Sneaking kissing and shit? Busting slobs, passing bacterial meningitis, or whatever it is y'all got, man. Ebola. Oral Ebola. Listen here, man. I agree. Kodak Black is a goddamn shame. And Kodak Black probably gonna get his issue. But listen, Papa, what make you any different than Kodak Black? You're just like Kodak Black. Yes, you are. A motherfucking fool. You're ugly as hell. Ugly as sin, goddammit. Just because you bright skinned don't mean you ain't ugly, Holmes. Over there acting like it's the Flip Wilson show tonight. Poppy, you're not a comedian. You're not a comedian, Poppy. It's not the Flip Wilson show. We'll call your show the Bambada Show. Who's gonna hit the gong? Anyway, rest in peace to Nipsey Hussle. And Kodak Black, goddamn, baby, you just fell from grace. That's your business. It's your motherfucking business. But I had to come and tell you, Brother Poppy, we understand. We understand your struggle. You got Ebola, streptococcus, or HPV, or meningitis, bacterial, probably, and viral, from Israel. You ought to be mad at Izzy about this shit. He done got you fucked up like this. Both of y'all got the same shit. That's the devil's cough.